in passing glances, tried to dance through second chances. I've smiled at lips I didn't miss, and felt the chill in every kiss. But none of them lit up my skies the way you do it, just your eyes. No one made my silence sing or turn my winter into spring. I used to chase a fading spark, a ghost that left me in the dark. Held hands that didn't feel like home, shared beds but still felt all alone. But then you came without a sound, and all my walls came falling down. You saw the scars I tried to hide, and stay with arms so open wide. And now I know a love should be a quiet place, a symphony. So don't you wonder, don't you doubt, you're the one I can't live without. I don't want anyone but you, no one else could ever do. You're the fire I always chased, the truth I never could replace. Every heartbeat, every breath leads me back to where you rest. I've been lost and I've been through, but I don't want anyone but you. I've tried to fill the empty space with fleeting laughs and strangers' grace, but every time I turned away, it's you my soul begged me to stay. Your voice still echoes in my mind, a melody I couldn't find in anyone who crossed my path, just shadows fading in the past. I see a smile in every dream, in morning light and movie scenes. You've become my every line, my once, my now, my always time. I gave up wishing long ago, but you're the star I didn't know was written right inside my fate, just waiting for my heart to wake. So take my heart, it's yours to keep, in waking hours and in sleep. You're the answer, loud and true. I don't want any